Sagittarius. Domestic life is indicating a good family life for you. Although there will be a challenging times every now and then too. These challenges will bring you and your family closer. Initial times of this month can make you a little worried about your health. You will overcome with the health problems you have been facing for so long. You might also attain ancestral property during this time. You will need to be aware of your friends and enemies and be little careful when around them. Try not to talk about your plans to anyone at this point. You will see a gradual growth in your life. But being hasty at the moment and taking any decision in a hurry can be very bad for you, so try to avoid this. Physically as well as mentally, you will be very courageous during this period. This is a good phase for your relatives, especially your siblings will grow. You will enjoy happiness during this time. Relation with spouse will not be very satisfactory. Your relationship with your children may not be good. Your contacts with influential people will definitely increase. Your self-confidence and courage will give you the drive to push ahead at work in the professional sector. However, you are advised not to get into arguments with your colleagues and seniors and stay cautious in your conversation in the first half of the month. There could be a clash of ego with business associates. All you need to do is to keep a low profile in the meetings and clear out the misunderstandings that have been spreading around and work on improving your relations. Opt up making any new start in this month. This month makes an excellent balance between income and expenses. There will be a good flow of income despite challenges at workplace. Though you may be suffering some fatigue and burnout, this is a great time for you to take a break. You have to work smartly, keeping balance between your family and work. So, try keeping up the hectic pace of work along with peaceful family life. You can go for investments in the last week of this month. If you want to ensure financial stability in your life, you have to start making changes as soon as possible. You should keep a low profile during this time and then make changes. Though, along with these changes, you will face newer challenges as well. You will help people, which in return will help you gaining fame. You are advised to do some spiritual work which could get you out of any trouble. People jealous of you can cause a problem, so be alert. Remedy: visit Shani Mandir every Saturday.